Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on how to set up multi-site in Drupal 9 and 10 on the Dinzaj YouTube channel. In Drupal, the multi-site feature allows you to run multiple websites with a single Drupal installation, making it easier to manage and maintain your websites. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to set up a multi-site, including the necessary changes to your file structure and settings. Section 1. Setting up a multi-site in Drupal 9 and 10. To set up a multi-site in Drupal 9 and 10, you'll need to start with a working Drupal installation. Once you have this set up, you'll need to create separate directories for each site within your Drupal installation directory. For example, if you have two sites, you'll create two directories, Site 1 and Site 2. Next, you'll need to create a new database for each site. This allows you to manage configuration settings and databases separately for each site, so each site will have its own content, settings, enabled modules, and enabled theme. For example, if you have two sites, you'll create two databases, Site 1 and Site 2. Now, you'll need to update the settings.php file for each site to reflect the new database information. In each site directory, you'll find a file named settings.php. Open this file and update the database information to match the database you created for that site. For example, if you have a Site 1 directory in a Site 1 database, you'll update the Site 1/settings.php file to reflect the Site 1 database information. Section 2. Two approaches for managing multi-site. There are two different approaches for managing your multi-site setup. 1. Using the same codebase for multiple sites. In this approach, you'll use a single codebase for multiple sites. This means that you'll have a single Drupal installation with a single set of modules, themes, and configuration settings. Each site will then have its own separate database and settings.php file. 2. Using separate codebase for multiple sites. In this approach, you'll use a separate codebase for each site. This means that you'll have a separate Drupal installation for each site, with its own set of modules, themes, and configuration settings. This approach provides more flexibility and control over each site, but it also requires more maintenance and management. Conclusion. In conclusion, setting up a multi-site in Drupal 9 and 10 is a great way to manage multiple websites efficiently. Whether you choose to use the same codebase for multiple sites or use a separate codebase for each site, the multi-site feature of Drupal 9 and 10 provides a lot of flexibility and control over your website setup. Don't forget to subscribe to the Dinzaj YouTube channel for more tutorials and videos on Drupal and other web development topics. We hope that this video has been helpful in showing you how to set up a multi-site in Drupal 9 and 10 on the Dinzaj YouTube channel. Remember, the necessary changes include creating separate directories and databases for each site, and updating the settings.php file for each site to reflect the new database information. Thank you for watching this video on the Dinzaj YouTube channel, and good luck with your Drupal website setup. If you have any questions or need help with setting up a multi-site in Drupal, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll do our best to assist you. The Drupal community is also a great resource for support and assistance. You can find a wealth of information and resources on the official Drupal website, as well as in the Drupal community forums. So, if you're looking for help or just want to connect with others who are using Drupal, don't hesitate to reach out and join the community.